so island thing. Teeth white when my smile and thing. Summer odds on my solo. Like the man pan the polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
Habanero pepper, because I don't have no scotch bonnet today, but this works equally as good. And then right here I have some scallion or green onions. Just gonna add all that in here and just combine it all. So I'm getting ready to add the rice in, so I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of butter, a little bit of garlic salt with parsley, and a little bit of seasoning salt. Here I have my rice already washed. This is basmati rice. Just gonna add that in, combine it all in. Gonna cover it and allow it to just start drying down. So this is how the rice is looking right now. It's definitely drying down. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just lower the heat because I don't want it to start sticking to the bottom of the pot. Just gonna cover it. So guys, the rice is basically all done. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just put it on really low heat, just so it could stay nice and warm. But yeah, the rice is nice and shelly, smells good, and I'm about to taste it. Perfect.